Hi, it's Tim from EngineFactory.com here. We just finished building these two beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package engines. Go over some of the highlights on our engine builds. We started with a brand new 4-bolt main block. We have all forged steel internals, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, brand new timing cover, high flow aluminum water pump, new balancer, high flow fuel pump. All the fittings are on there. Russell fuel lines, heavy duty Russell fuel lines, gas filter, oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup, brass freeze plugs installed, engine block painted black. We always install the correct oil pan on the applications. It's real nice Cobra valve covers. We have the breather on there, 427 badges, distributor set in place, aluminum intake manifold, 750 CFM Holley carburetor on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball. It's real nice 427 air cleaner with the washable filter. We always install the correct automatic flex plate, proper tooth count and balance. We put the PCV valve in there, heavy duty Russell ventilation line. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed, braided fuel line, electric choke wire, chrome dipstick and tube, coolant bypass hose to thermostat housing, thermostats installed. Every engine is live run at the engine factory and fully tested for over an hour. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We check for leaks. Everything is thoroughly gone over, fully tested, so you'll have the confidence when you put the engine in that you know it's 100% perfect. So this is our other 427 Ford in stock with the black ignition wires, and this one has the red. These are both available, ready to go. It's a family owned and operated business, been in business since 1969. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.